Hey guys, we're at the Millstream Preserve in Columbia, Connecticut. Going to be getting some great Hatcam footage of some pheasant hunting. It's a beautiful morning. We're going to be filming with the Flip Minnow HD 8GB 3rd generation Hatcam, and we're going to be using the wide angle lens adapter, which is going to give us a much bigger field of view. It's going to be very important to make sure we get all the shots in the field of view with the Hatcam. We're also going to be using our new orange hat with a real tree visor. It's a great new hat for all upland game, so that's what we're going to be doing. So we're going to get some great pheasant hunting action, and hope you enjoy.
You take it round, all right?
Pheasant down.
Here.
All right. Cool. Jump in.
Okay, Jim, let's go. Whoa! Back. Here. Okay,
I got it with the second one.